battery on, power to the monitor, fingers crossed, please work. Hey! We have interference. Oh, we've got interference. For some reason if you put it really close you get interference on it, but anyway. Everything seems to work. We'll set the... Right, it's just a quick info on people who are having problem calibrating the compass on the GPS. Now, oh, it's flashing red now. Anyway, I've got it set up to aux 2 on here. Now it says in the manual, obviously position 1's got to be manual, then you've got attitude, and then you've got GPS lock hold. Now the thing is, I tried for hours and hours and hours to try and get it, stop it from flashing from yellow to red, constantly yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Anyway, I tried flying it, it flies perfect, but obviously the GPS hold and the return to home doesn't work. So anyway, I figured out if you do it too quickly it doesn't work. If you do it too slowly it doesn't work. So we'll see if I can do it now, and you can hear the clicks that I'm doing. See, it won't do it. I've got fail-safe off. I've got everything off. It won't do it. Hang on. Let's just reset it again. There you go, and it's in. So basically what you've got to do is you have to turn it, I can't do it, you have to turn it 360 degrees, either clockwise or counterclockwise, whichever way. Then you tip it on its side, and then you rotate it there at 360 degrees. After you first turn it that way, 360, the light then will turn green. When you tip it on its side and turn it that way, it'll then start flashing normal. But it seems like the speed that you have to do that is quite critical. I thought you just keep flicking it, but you don't. You have to keep trying it. Oh, the other thing as well, when I was going into the NASA Assistant, every time I switched it over to GPS, down the bottom there it would always say ATTI, no matter where I've switched it. Now after you've done the calibration on the GPS, the compass, when you switch it over to GPS it goes to GPS attitude. So if you are getting that, it means that you need to calibrate the compass. So now I've got it set to attitude, attitude and GPS. I don't like manual mode, can't fly it. And then I need to set this switch here, which is on X1 at the minute. I need to set that to failsafe. The GPS does actually work, contrary to belief, it does actually work inside, so we'll see how long it takes for a GPS lock. Three blinks, I think it's less than 7 satellites. Two blinks is less than 5 satellites, and it's locked. Yay.